Come on, get up. Come on. Get up there. Nah, people are around. She ain't gonna do it with people around.
Come here. Cece. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Come up here. Come up here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get up. Come on. Come on. Come here, baby. Sissy. Come here, baby. Come up here. Come on. Come on.
That's what they were able to do. Get started with the onside kick by Mike McCarthy. A great execution to be able to cut it down to a one-possession game. The defense finally making a stop on third down. And
Oh, man.
go right down and tie this game up. It's going on now.